When it comes to automotive icons, the 1958 Chevrolet Corvette holds a sacred place in American history. But the team at Kindig-It Design has rewritten what classic means, turning this timeless C1 into a modern engineering masterpiece. Known as the Kindig-It 1958 Corvette, this stunning Restomod spent 2.5 years in the making and set new standards in craftsmanship, performance, and design. Unveiled at SEMA 2024 inside the prestigious Borla Performance booth, it later sold at auction for a staggering $280,000 in August 2025. This is not just another shiny vintage Corvette, it's the benchmark for what a true Restomod should be. The project was personally led by Dave Kindig and his crew from the famous Kindig-It Design shop in Salt Lake City, Utah, the same stars behind the hit show Bitchin Rides. Their approach to this build wasn't about adding aftermarket parts. It was about reimagining the Corvette from the ground up, staying faithful to its 1958 essence, while infusing it with 21st century precision and power. Every inch of this car was authored metal, not just assembly line tuning. Displayed proudly at SEMA 2024, the Kindig-It Corvette had to meet the highest standards of design and engineering. Getting a spot at a major supplier's booth like Borla is a mark of excellence. Only the best craftsmanship earns that kind of spotlight under the unforgiving LED lights of SEMA's main halls. Then, when it hit the auction block as Lot S123, its $280,000 hammer price confirmed what everyone already knew: this C1 is in a class of its own. Visually, the car exudes timeless elegance. Dressed in a tuxedo of modern classic Axo-Noble black ice with no-strings white coats, it's a breathtaking blend of vintage sophistication and contemporary finish. Ogden Chrome restored every trim and bumper, ensuring each reflective surface met Kindig's perfectionist standards. The chassis comes courtesy of Art Morrison Enterprises, featuring independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes with red calipers, and mirror-polished shot alloys wrapped in Michelin rubber. A Borla exhaust system completes the undercarriage, which is fully detailed and chrome finished. Inside, the Corvette combines luxury with practicality. The cabin is wrapped in red leather with deep-cushioned bucket seats, vintage air climate control, Bluetooth audio, and Dakota digital gauges styled to look period-correct but powered by modern tech. From the tilt steering column to the billet 3-spoke wheel and custom analog readouts, this is a car designed to be driven, not just displayed. Under the hood lies the true soul of this masterpiece, an Lingenfelter LS7 V8 engine, delivering an incredible 644 rear-wheel horsepower. For perspective, the original 1958 fuel-injected Corvette made 283 horsepower. This new heart more than doubles that figure. The LS7 features polished Corvette valve covers, Borla's chrome individual throttle body injection with 8 velocity stacks, and a Borla exhaust system tuned for both performance and sound. It's paired with an automatic transmission for effortless power delivery, while Dave Kindig's signature on the engine bay adds the final touch of authenticity. Balancing nostalgia and innovation is no easy task. Push too far into modern performance and the soul of the Corvette disappears. Lean too heavily on the past, and it becomes a museum piece. This Kindig-It 1958 Corvette achieves that rare harmony. It looks every bit like a late 50s icon, yet drives like a 2020 supercar. Its SEMA showcase proved the professionals respect it. Its 6-figure sale confirmed collectors value it, and its upcoming appearance at Kissimmee 2026 ensures its legacy continues to grow. The Kindig-It 1958 Corvette isn't just a car, it's a statement. It represents what happens when artistry, engineering, and passion collide to create something truly timeless. This is the new standard of the custom C1 world, a tuxedo-clad thunderstorm of power, precision, and pure American spirit.